20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nana. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. The engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships, launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on the mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order attack fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we got clear paths to transform and make a jump.
We lost Red 2 and more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake it, Blue.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm going to try to jump on the way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. Only a first time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
That's a fight to make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Common vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Now quick, get up there.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Attention sympathizers, the ship now belongs to the First Order, and you will disembark and proceed to interrogation down the right. Alright, keep your unit together at all times. See down the hole.
We did a really good job with this. I just want to say that. You'll fall behind them from the fall on the wall.
I'm here.
Just come here.
We'll follow from behind you. Number 6. Number 6.
Just come here. Thank you, Father. Walk behind the other.
These two groups are following me first. This group, if you can get into a single file line, we'll follow behind them. Let's go. I don't believe it. Why do you want to? Right here on blue. 2 of you red. 3 here on silver. 3 orange. Listen very carefully, I'm only going to say this once. The colors you are standing on are your assigned color codes. Memorize those colors and do not forget them. Maintain your physical distance at all times. No talking, patronizing, or plotting against the First Order. Failure to comply is not recommended. You're still the worst spy I've ever seen. We can obviously see you're trying to follow record whatever you desire. Just to let you know, all transmissions have been blocked, so it's not going to work. Blue will go in first. Red, silver, orange.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Good, we have the recruits.
Wait, you're still here? Hell's coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now! Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Recautos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con su cinturón de seguridad bien ajustado. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Okay, take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
You're not authorized. Wait.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Maybe these two droids anyway.
If anyone's breaking a blaster, now's a good time. Ah! The escape pod's just below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down! Up is bad! Up is real bad! The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're resistance now.
I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up. Scaffer's pocket.
Lieutenant back here.
Beck, you're live.
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your